Basement Watchdog.
Hi, I'm Alan Schulman, founder and CEO of Glentronics. We're the folks that make the Basement Watchdog battery backup sump pump system. Today I'm really excited to introduce you to one of my more recent creations, is the Basement Watchdog combination systems. We've been really the specialists in battery backups for, well, decades. And the thought came, well, why can't we take a pre-assembled system that has a primary, that's your main pump that plugs in the wall, combine it and plumb it completely ready to go along with a battery backup. All of the plumbing, the cutting, the glue, it's all done, it's all connected. What you see here is all in the box assembled. And so this connector connects to the pipe that's coming into your basement already. You just take the old pump out, you put the pipe into this connector, and this whole assembly just goes right into the pit. You just plug it in and you're ready to go. No cutting, no gluing, very instantly ready. So you got a primary pump, it's doing the work every day. You got a 12-volt battery backup pump that's doing the work in an emergency. And so they both have switches. And so the primary pump, that's this cage switch that's here. That bottom float goes up, pump goes on, water goes out, pump goes off, just in case there's a second dual float. Same thing happens with the backup. So there's a backup dual float switch that runs the 12-volt, the emergency part of the system. 4 switches just to turn the pump on, and that's the main thing it's supposed to do, is turn the pump on. And it does send a message to the controller. So the controller has an alarm, it's an audio, you hear it, you go down the basement, you take a look at it, and there's 5 basic alarms that are built into that controller. It tells you all the things that you need to know. All cast iron pump, top of the line stuff. When you need a backup, think about a combination. They're available at all local hardware stores, home centers, online. Check it out. Really be comfortable that you're protecting all that stuff that's down in your basement.
The Basement Watchdog, watching out for you. Visit us at basementwatchdog.com to learn more.